A very good morning, students. Welcome to your video explanation class for English. I am Anshuli Pawar, your English teacher. And today in this video explanation class, we are going to read about our novel, which is The Merchant of Venice. And in this, we are going to study Act number 2, Scene number 1, The Bravery of the Prince of Morocco. So students, do you remember that in our last part, we read in scene number 2 that the prince from Morocco has arrived to win hand of Portia in marriage, and she was informed about the arrival of the prince by her servants, but she was not happy because she did not want to meet anyone other than the person that she used to love, and which was Bassanio. And now let's read further. What happens when the Prince of Morocco arrives at the place where Portia lives and he tries to win her over. Here we are going to read that Portia is at Belmont having a chat with the Prince of Morocco, who has just arrived to attempt to win Portia's hand in marriage. He says that though his skin is darker, his blood is as red, his love is as true as anyone pale northern guy. The Prince of Morocco convinces, that means he is trying to pursue, that means वो उनको मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, convinces her to marry him. Portia tells him that being good looking isn't the only way to win her heart. She has other criteria for choosing a husband. If her father had not restricted her like this, then the prince would stand in her affections just like any other suitors. So now Portia is saying that while having a chat with the Prince of Morocco, he says that my skin might be darker, that he is not of the same pale skin color or white person like other people who are in Venice, but he says that my love is as good as them only. But then Portia tells him that it is not just one thing that I want people with good looks. I have certain criteria to choose a suitor because my father has created them. And if those criteria won't have been, forced upon Portia, then Prince of Morocco would have a chance to be as good as any other suitor. Now the prince says that he is very fierce and lists off all the things that he has achieved. He swears that his sword has killed Shah of Persia, Persian prince, and has defeated Sultan Suleiman 3 times, and that he would act braver and bravest man on the earth. He impresses Portia by saying that he is daring and can steal a baby bear from his mother or tease a hungry lion. So now understand, here the prince is trying to convince Portia. वो Portia को impress करना चाहता है, उनको मनाना चाहता है कि वो उनसे शादी कर ले. उसके लिए वो उनको बताता है कि उसने क्या क्या अचीव किया है. उसने शाह ऑफ पर्शिया को मारा है. उसने पर्शियन प्रिंस को 3 बार डिफीट, सुल्तान सुलेमान को 3 बार डिफीट किया है. वो इज़ द प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया. And now he would even act like the bravest man on this earth, and he says कि मैं भूखे शेर को भी चढ़ा सकता हूँ, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल काम होता है. That is why he is trying to say here, or tease a hungry lion. Now Portia tells him that because all of his bravery as well, in spite of all of his bravery, it is not possible for her to neglect the rules. Rules are rules, and she tells the prince that he can try his luck in the game of dice. It is just like a game of dice and choose the chest. Like आपको वो खजाना चुनना पड़ेगा, आपको वो राइट कैस्केट जो हमने लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस किया था, that 3 कैस्केट्स में से आपको एक ठीक कैस्केट सही चुनना होगा जिसमें आपको पोर्शिया का हैंड मिल जाएगा. दैट मीन्स अगर आपने राइट कैस्केट चूज़ किया तो आपको Portia मिल जाएगा. So that you have to do. So he says that I don't believe that luck always favors the people who deserve it. But still, because he's so impressed with Portia, he says that I will do this crazy lottery thing as well. Now moving further. Now he says that if a suitor's now Portia also informs him about the condition, that is that if you are trying to risk so much, she also informs him that the crazy lottery setting also has one more condition, that anyone who chooses to try their luck cannot think about marriage after this. If they choose the wrong casket or the wrong basket, then they cannot think about having another woman in their life again. Then hearing this, the prince says that I would still play anyway, because he says I will either be the luckiest or the most unluckiest man alive. Now he says that Portia is so important to him that if he wins, he would become the luckiest man, and if he loses the lottery, then he will become the most unluckiest man alive on earth. Now do you understand? The whole chapter is based upon the bravery of Prince of Morocco, where he's trying to impress Portia, and Portia telling him that she cannot deny the rules, she cannot neglect the rules, she has to follow the rules, and because of which she cannot just be impressed by him directly. He is supposed to win her in the lottery system only. So I hope, students, that this chapter is clear to you. Now I will be giving you further exercise in the next lesson, where you will do those exercises in your notebook for the same chapter. For this chapter, I will give you an exercise which you have to note down in your English literature notebooks only. Okay? We have done the part for our English literature. Now you are going to start novel. Please write down novel on one page heading, and then start the work that I will give you in the further coming time. Now, if you have any problem, you can always discuss it with me on the group. Thank you so much, students. Please take care of yourself and your family as well.